Hey everyone, Mr. Mush here. So, we are going to make a gingerbread man out of clay. Alright? So all you need is oil clay and clay tools, and that's it. Now, you can use air dry clay, and you can turn it into a ornament for your tree for Christmas if you celebrate Christmas. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, well, you can just make a fun little cookie gingerbread man and maybe hang it up in your kitchen because that's where you bake cookies. All right, so let's get to it. So I'm gonna take some brown, and these are the colors I might be using. I'm definitely gonna be using red and green because they're Christmas colors, but we'll see where my choices go. All right, so I'm going to take some brown, make a ball, and I'm going to squish it down like this, and then I'm going to take some more brown, and I'm going to make a rectangle like this and kind of make it flat like this and smooth it out. And then I can use my table to help straighten out the sides like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna stick the head on like that. And then I'm gonna smush it together to make it look like one piece, like that. Okay, and then next, I'm gonna just squeeze it in just a little bit to make it look like he's got like a little neck. Okay, let me move these up. I feel like you can't see the star of the show. All right, his arms are just gonna be like coils that we squish down. Okay, like this. And you can use that. Okay. And then I'm going to attach the arm like this. Get it just the way I like it. And then I'm going to do it again. And I love gingerbread cookies. I look forward to eating them every year around this time of the year. I remember growing up, my mom and I and my sister and my dad, we would decorate gingerbread houses and we would make cookies. My mom, you know, she's a very crafty lady, and she was a baker at one time, worked in a bakery. So she knows how to make good cookies and special things like that. And you know, in our previous episodes, we talk about my mom's pumpkin bread. That's like her cream of the crop. That's like really good. But we would always decorate cookies at Christmas time, and it's one of my favorite memories growing up. Okay, so there's his one leg. You know what? I'm gonna just smush him down a little bit. And you know what? I'm just gonna pinch out the other leg like this. Just like that. Okay, so there is my gingerbread man. Now it's the time to add the decorations, just like that. Okay, and so I'm gonna take clay and I'm gonna add it to my gingerbread man. But you know what I'm gonna do first? I was gonna add the eyes, but you know what? I'm gonna take some yellow and I'm gonna do a trim around my gingerbread man. And I'm gonna do a coil like this, and I'm gonna make it really long. I'm just rolling it out Okay, just like this. And I'm gonna put it around the edge like this. So it looks like icing, just like that. I'm gonna take another coil. Just like this. Okay. And I'll do one more. Grab a little bit more just in case. And remember, it's always good to add a little bit more than what you need, because clay, you just rip off what you don't need. It's always better to have more. Okay, I'm gonna smooth that out just a little bit. All right. All right, and I have a little bit extra, just rip it off. There we go. Okay, and you make it as thin or as thick as you want. Okay. All right, so I got the outline. Then I'm gonna give I'm just gonna roll up little balls for the eyes. Just stick them on there. I always liked the gingerbread man from Shrek. I always thought he was funny. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab some green. I'm gonna give him a green little smile, little coil. Okay. And then I'm gonna do some little wavy coils like this to give them like little collars. I think that's what they are. I don't know. I just always seen this, like my mom would do this when she would make cookies. I think it looks nice. I'm just gonna do a couple more. Okay, right there. Okay. Just like that. I think I'm gonna fix this one, because I don't have them. Like doing the same thing. Okay. And then I'm gonna do. Now remember, like, if you don't like what you see, just start over just like I did. It's fine. All right. And then I'm going to do the legs. Okay, same thing. Let's see. Put it right in between. And then I'm gonna give them red buttons. I'm gonna keep it Christmas style. But it's always good to have like everything ready. Like I could have changed my mind and I could have been like, you know what? I'm gonna use orange or purple. I didn't know how I wanted my gingerbread man to look. Okay. And you just roll the coils the way that you want. They're like little M's for Mr. Mush. Hi-yo. Just like that. And then I'm just gonna give them just gumdrop buttons. Just like this. And with this last little gumdrop, my gingerbread man is finished. Now, if you really stuck them onto the table, just be gentle with them, peeling them off. But there's my gingerbread man, okay? Do you know the Muffin Man? All right, so with that being said, please send in a picture of your gingerbread man or gingerbread girl, okay? And I would love to see it. Or tag us on social media so I can see it. And maybe yours will get on Mr. Mush. I would love to share it with the world. Okay? All right, well, with that being said, we're going to move on to our craft project for the day, and I'll see you there. Peace.